ClickUp start date, due date. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp.com. On the home page, click the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your name, email address, and choose a strong password. Once you're ready, click Play with ClickUp to get started. After entering your workspace, go to the main dashboard and click Create Space in the bottom left screen. After that, enter your workspace name and description. When you've finished, select Continue. After making a space, click Add Task. Type in the name of your task. For example, I'm using title, Editing Tutorial Video. Next, click on the Due Date section within your task. This is where you can set the deadline. Choose your desired date. For example, from July 14th to July 16th, and you can also set specific times to stay on track. Once you're happy with the settings, simply press Enter on your keyboard to save it. And that's it. You've just set a due date for your task in ClickUp.